And those are the ones that are up here trying to help. And many of us, including myself, have these fire jackets. But take a look at this horse that you're seeing right now. This is exactly what we were talking about an hour or so ago with the other horse down the road. They don't want to get on the trailers, and that makes it very difficult to take them to safety. This horse also needing the ramp like the other horse was needing, because they're so terrified and they're so frightening that they just won't go where they want to go. So they're trying to forcibly get this horse onto the trailer. And although it looks, yeah. The firefighters tried to open up not too long ago. Not that stable of an area. I don't know if you can see her. She's trying to pull these goats out this way. People physically picking up